Power Search Bar Overview. Located in the middle above the main working space, the Power Search Bar allows you to search within and filter the segments in a variety of ways. Like any other search tool, you can search for a single word or phrase by entering it into the search field. Don't forget to specify which of the languages the system should be searching in. To run the search, click on the magnifying glass icon. The system will then sort out and show only those segments that contain your search query. To return to the full list of segments, simply clear the search field. Using the Power Search Bar's extensive filter function, you can filter your segment view using both pre-existing and custom filters. To open the list of pre-existing filters, click on the filter icon. There are 3 categories of pre-existing filters: global filter, editors, and workers. Simply click on any of the pre-existing filters and the system will update in the background. Click back into the working space to see your filtered segments. The pre-existing filtration options always search all segments by default, so there's no need to clear the filtration. We will look at how to set custom filters in more detail later.